Encore Automotive, Diagnostics and Repair, 2005 Jaguar X-Type, transfer case, source, and replacement. Check us out. Thank you. Comment and subscribe. Welcome back to another episode of Encore Automotive, Diagnostics and Repair. Today we're in Greenville at LKQ, and we have a donor vehicle, an X-Type. My buddy found it for me. Didn't even look up the year, but I know it's compatible. All right. Got the transfer case that we're going to be installing on my Jaguar X-Type, and we're going to keep you posted throughout the job and hopefully be able to round it up here shortly. But yeah.
Got enough now to play with?
You right there? Yeah.
Or need to come off that damn rim?
Off the rim probably.
Okay. Bam!
Getting it up out of there.
Alright, that's good. That's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
Woo! That was hard work, man. I swear, this gonna be some real fun getting this back installed.
Okay, I can't go any further. We're here at the junkyard. We're leaving now. Good to go. Got the parts. Got the transfer case loaded up in the van. Got a fresh air filter fountain at the junkyard as well. Got a little grease on it, but she clean. Can't let this thing go to waste. Keep you updated.